And welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can screen record on your Windows 10 PC. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Alright guys, so the first step for this tutorial is to go to the Windows taskbar here, or you can click the button on your thing, on your keyboard. Hit the Xbox button here to bring up the Xbox app. This is going to be all through the Xbox program. And then what you want to do, you want to hit the Windows key right here. This one. Tap that and hit G at the same time. So this and G on your keyboard, like the letter G. So it'll bring up this bar right here. Click record mic, and from here you can start recording whatever you want. This is helpful if you ever want to record your screen for making YouTube videos. If you ever want to record gameplay, this is also beneficial. I'd highly recommend this. If you want to start uploading gaming videos to your YouTube channel, this can be very beneficial. So yeah, you just click start recording, and this will capture basically your screen, whatever you are doing. Oh yeah, you can go into Chrome. But just make sure you always have the Xbox app open while you do this, or else it will not pop up when you hit Windows key and then G. So just make sure you have the Xbox app up, and you can record any application you want with this. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you all liked it. Go check out my recent video on how to download clips from Twitch on your mobile device. I'll put a card in the top right corner. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Any video ideas you have in the comments section would be much appreciated. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torn for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.